Step 1. Draw the eyebrows and beak. Draw margins evenly around the drawing paper. Place the drawing paper on the pitchboard and apply masking tape to the corners. Make the rectangular shape for eyebrows. To draw the top and bottom part of the bird's beak, forming like a triangle shape. Step 2. Draw the eyes. Draw the eyeballs by making a very small round shape. Create an almost round eye shape around the eyeball. Step 3. Draw the body. Make the body of the bird triangular. Give a thick border to the edges of the triangle shape with a marker pen. Step 4. Draw the tail. Make the angry bird head comb with the curved zigzag line. Draw the tail at the back with a very nice curved zigzag line. Step 5. Color the body. Color yellow on the upper part of the bird's body. Do not give yellow color to the lower part of the beak. Step 6. Color the beak. Do the brown color on the beak of the bird. Give a dark brown color to the inner part of the mouth. Step 7. Color the comb and tail. Apply light brown color to the eyebrows. Make dark black color in the eyes of the bird. Give white color above the eye shape. Give dark black color to the bird's comb and tail.